Clan Auchinleck is one of Scotland's most ancient and revered families, with a rich history that spans over 7 centuries. The name Auchinleck is thought to have originated from lands in the county of Angus in Scotland, and may have a descriptive meaning of high land separating areas of water. The Auchinleck family held the office of hereditary armour-bearers to the Earls of Crawford, and lived in a substantial tower known as Affleck, near the village of Monikie. This tower was once the heart of the Auchinleck family's power and influence, and is still standing to this day, described in Nigel Tranter's Fortified House in Scotland, Volume 4. The Auchinlecks were known for their bravery and loyalty, and their traditions and values have been passed down through generations. One of the most famous members of this family was James Boswell, the biographer of Samuel Johnson. James was a member of the Auchinleck family through marriage to one of the daughters of Sir John Auchinleck of that ilk. During World War II, the Auchinlecks made a significant contribution to the war effort. General Sir Claude Auchinleck was the Commander-in-Chief in India in 1941, and was assigned by British Prime Minister Winston Churchill to lead the Allied offensive in the western desert of Egypt and India. He led the British 8th Army at the First Battle of El Alamein in July 1942, but was later replaced by Bernard Montgomery, who went on to lead the Allies to a crucial victory at El Alamein. The Auchinlecks continue to be a proud and prominent family in Scotland, and their traditions and values remain an important part of the country's rich cultural heritage. Whether it's through military service, cultural pursuits, or simply passing on their traditions to future generations, the Auchinlecks have made a lasting impact on Scotland and its people.